Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to talk about 10 cool things that you can do with Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 fitness trackers. So without any further delays, let's get to it and talk about these 10 cool features. And the first thing that I want to talk about is the waterlog mode. So this is the feature that you can turn on if you plan on taking shower with this band on or swimming. So the water will not interfere with the interface of the watch. So you can simply go in quick shortcuts and then swipe to the left, and then you will see this waterlog mode, and you will see this icon and droplets appear on the watch face, which means that the waterlock mode is now activated. And then the screen gets locked, and the touches get locked, and you will not be able to interact with the display. Now to get out of it, all you have to do is press on this home button and then swipe up and then swipe down, and that will turn off the waterlock mode. Next up, we also have good night mode on this band. So if you're wearing the band and you want to go to sleep because you want to track your sleep with the help of Galaxy Fit 2, you can then turn on the good night mode. So once you turn on the good night mode, it will dim the screen and it will turn off all the alerts except for the alarm. So you can turn this feature on as well. So simply swipe to the left from the quick shortcuts and you will see the good night mode. Turn this on and you will see that the display has been dimmed immediately. And then even the gesture movement will not turn on the screen, so you can easily and without any disturbance get your sleep at night and track your sleep as well with the help of this band. You can learn more about the good night mode by going into the wearable app and into the dashboard for Galaxy Fit 2. Go in advanced and go in good night mode, and here you can read what it will do. You can also turn on the daily feature. So once you do that, good night mode will be turned on and off automatically based on your sleep patterns. So this will turn on and turn off the good night mode automatically if you turn on this feature, turn on daily. And other than that, you can see that it prevents any disturbances while you're sleeping. Your band won't light up or vibrate for alerts except for alarms. Wake up gestures will be turned off and the screen will be dimmed. So that's the good night mode for you on Galaxy Fit 2. Next up, there is another really cool feature here, and that's the wash hand features, which I think is in line with the current global situation. So if you simply swipe to the left from the home screen or the watch face, you will get to the wash hand feature, which is at the end. So you can tap on it and it will start a 25-second timer, and you can go on and wash your hands for 25 seconds. And at the end of the 25 seconds, it will vibrate and tell you that it's enough, you can stop now. Now from the wearable app, you can also go in hand wash feature and you can turn on the reminders here. So it will remind you to wash your hands from time to time if you turn on this reminder feature. Moving on, with Galaxy Fit 2, you can also measure your stress levels. So if you swipe to the left, you will get to the stress widget here, and you can simply tap on it and it will start to measure your stress levels. Give it a few seconds and stay still. So there you go. And then you can also breathe and reduce your stress levels if you are stressed. So you can simply tap on this breathe feature, and then you can inhale and exhale, and you can set up the timer for this inhalation and exhalation from the app. So let's go to the app then, and here in the wearable app in the Galaxy Fit 2 dashboard, you can go in health settings and then go in auto stress settings, and here you can actually turn on the auto stress feature. So if you turn this on, this measure button from the band disappears and the band will continuously measure your stress levels in the background. So you can do that, and then you can also set up the breathe settings here. So here you can set up the target, you can set up the pattern, and then you can set up the vibration feedback. So you can change the inhale and exhale duration, and actually let's see, it goes from 10 seconds to 3 seconds. So that's that, and then you can change the target cycle as well. Now moving on to the next feature, we also have a lot of watch faces for Galaxy Fit 2, but you can only change them from the wearable app on your phone. So go into the dashboard for Galaxy Fit 2 and then go in watch faces, and here you can see ton of watch faces are available and you can actually choose between them. So you cannot actually customize a watch face to different colors or different information settings, but you can have different watch faces here with different information available already, and you can select from that. So we have modern here, so we have with step information, battery information, and then different colors, same information. So there is that, and there are a lot of options that you can choose from here. And as you tap on these watch faces, they change in real time on the band, and I love this feature. So there are quite a lot of watch faces to choose from, and all available with different information and different complications, but you cannot change these complications on a single watch face. So there you go. Next up, I want to talk about the heart rate measurement settings on Galaxy Fit 2. So if you go into the wearable app and go into the Galaxy Fit 2 dashboard, simply go in health settings and then scroll down, and you will see here auto heart rate settings. So if you tap on it, you can select between continuously. So if you select continuously, the Galaxy Fit 2 fitness tracker will measure your heart rate continuously. You can go for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and manual measurement only. And if you go back, you can also choose high heart rate alert, so you can turn this feature on, and here you can choose the heart rate for which you need the alert. But you can only turn on this feature if you select continuous heart rate setting. If you select any other settings, so let's say 10 minutes, then this option will not be available anymore. Now moving on to the next feature, you can also add or remove the activities that you want to track on the band. So if you go into this activity widget, you can see that we have a few activities that you can start tracking straight away from the band, but you can actually edit these activities as well. So you can tap this edit button here and it will take you to the app, or you can simply go in health settings and go in manage exercises, and here you can actually add or remove exercises. So here you can choose from a huge library of activities that you want to track on Galaxy Fit 2. So simply tap on add or remove and start scrolling, and there is a huge list of activities that you can track with Galaxy Fit 2. So at one time you can only have 10 activities that you can have on the band, so choose wisely. So you can start removing these activities from here and then start adding other activities. So let's select 10 and then press done, and then you will see that the change will happen on the band as well. So there you go. Then you can also turn on the automatic workout detection. So if you turn this feature on, it will automatically detect if you're running or walking, if you are on an elliptical trainer, rowing machine, and dynamic workouts. So it will start tracking these activities automatically. You don't even have to turn on this activity tracking from this activity widget. Moving on, you can also add or remove and reorder widgets on Galaxy Fit 2. So these widgets is the main way you interact with anything on the band and all the apps. So if you go into the wearable app and Galaxy Fit 2 dashboard, you will see this widgets option. Go in here, and if you scroll down, you will see that these are the default widgets that are available out of the box on the band, but you can even add more. So we have calendar widget that you can add, heart rate widget, music, sleep, steps, and then water widget. So some of them that I want to add are calendar, heart rate, music, and sleep. So let's add these, and I want to remove this hand wash widget from here, and then let's bring this one on the top. So you can reorder these widgets as well. Let's bring music one on the top. So you can do that, press save, and you will see the change will appear automatically on the band. So you now have this music controller here. Moving on, you can also edit this quick panel on the band, but you can only do that from the app again. So go into the wearable app and scroll down, go in advanced, and here you will see this option edit quick panel. Go in here. You cannot add more options from the app. All the options are already available in the quick panel, but you can reorder them and rearrange them as you want. So if I want good night mode right there on the first page, I will do that. And then music controller, I don't need it, to be honest, not here. And then vibrate, mute option should go there. So you can rearrange these options and press save, and then you will see the change happen on the band instantly. So if I scroll down, I will see that the change has already been updated on the band, and this is what I like. It does not take a lot of time to sync with the app on the phone. And finally, to the last feature that I want to talk about, and this is the feature that is turned off by default out of the box, and you can turn on this feature. And this one again is in advanced settings in the wearable app, and this one is get Bluetooth disconnection alerts. So whenever your band is disconnected from the phone, it will vibrate and it will alert you immediately that you're out of range and your band is not connected to the phone anymore. So you can turn on this feature as well, and it's a very useful feature in case you've left your phone anywhere and you're out of range. As soon as that happens, your band will vibrate and you will know that you've left your phone or you're out of range and your band is not connected to the phone anymore. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 10 cool things that you can do with Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. If you have any questions about this band or this fitness tracker, let me know in the comments so I can cover them in my upcoming videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.